Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 1173 Partridge. They had a sewer backup out here. I came out here, they said every time it rained really hard, it backed up. I came out here, found the yard trap out here. It was backed up going out. Definitely a bunch of buildup there in the trap going out towards the main. I ran a 4-inch cutter towards the house all the way to the 4-inch cast iron transition and then out to the main. And then I went back in with a 2-inch cutter and augered out that cast iron. So I'm going to inspect it with my camera here. I ended up getting a bunch of flushable wipes out. So that's definitely a problem. So we're going to inspect this line from yard trap here. We're going to see what it looks like. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my camera pushed in here into the line. This is where the bottom of the stack is in the basement. We're here in the 4-inch cast iron down in the basement. It keeps going straight and that goes to a floor drain. We're going to go ahead, pull it back and show you what this line looks like. I had a bunch of water running in here, so I just turned it off. So it's basically a little bit of water down there at the bottom. A lot of buildup that was in here. As you see on the side, it's all black. That was all from it backing up and all the black sludge in there. So it was loaded up going out towards the main out there. Alright, so here we are at the transition. This is where it comes to 4-inch cast iron. It's a 6-inch clay pipe out here in the front yard. Got a little debris here on the sides. But it does. Alright, so here we are at the yard trap. So everything towards the house and inside the cast iron looked to be pretty decent shape. There's a little debris and stuff around the transition, but I believe it's okay. It should be alright. That should wash out. We're going to go ahead and run it out to the main. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera out here in the main. It's only about 25 feet away. It's not very far. So we're going to go ahead and pull it back, show you this line. See, it turns here. It turns and then drops into the main there. There's a small little offset, but nothing too bad. Got a little water that pools up there, but it is draining. A little leftover sludge from it being backed up earlier. Yep, and then here I'm at the trap, so everything looks to be pretty in good shape, so it should be pretty good to go. Alrighty, thank you.